Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can stop your Microsoft Edge from automatically opening up when you open your PC. So let's say you have this problem and the moment you open up your PC, your Microsoft Edge along with other softwares or like other applications just automatically opens up or like is running in the background, alright? So I'll be showing you the steps on how to fix it. But before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on the Windows icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on the Windows icon, you can clearly see the setting button. You want to click on settings. Once you do that, it'll take you to the settings page of your Windows. Now once you're in the settings page of your, Windows, you want to go on where it says accounts. Now once you're inside accounts, make sure you click on this option called sign in option. Once you click on sign in option, scroll a bit down until you see this option called use my sign-in info to automatically finish setting up my device after an update or restart. If this is turned on, then just turn it off. Once you do that, just close it and restart your PC. Your problem should be fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is hover your mouse on top of the Windows key and right-click on it. Once you right-click on it, it's going to show you this option called Task Manager. Click on Task Manager and all of this will come up. Over here, you want to go on where it says Startup. Once you're inside Startup, all the apps which are going to be automatically started up once you open your Windows is going to be shown up over here. So as you guys can see, Microsoft Edge is enabled. What I can do is just right click on it and click on disable. Once I do that, it's going to show me disabled, which means the moment my PC opens up, my Microsoft Edge will no longer open up. Now you can do this for other app as well. So let's say I want to do it for Snap Camera. I can just right click on it, disable, it's been done. So that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.